Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to check DoorDash credits. To view your DoorDash credits on iOS, log in to the DoorDash app. Then tap on the account icon at the top. Then select Payment to see your total credits. For Android users, sign in to the DoorDash app.